Welcome to my allotment in East Sussex. It's been a strange week, weather's been funny. In fact, it's been sunny this afternoon and the rain is on its way. It's storm clouds coming up over there. So it's time to pack up. I've done a fair bit. Not a great deal of progress on the seeds, it's a bit early yet. But I've started forming this section in here. I've got some new timber, but don't listen to me, just watch it on the video and I'll catch you later. I need to continue the east-west path at the south end, and the plastic toolbox will require to be removed and repaired. It will need a base, and prior to this a mini project is required which will establish its position. Last year I gave the yard foreman of the builder's merchant some of my produce, and in return he gives me a nod and a wink when items such as pallets and timber is available and can be collected. To stop rats and field mice taking up the residency underneath, the edges of the pallet is sealed, first with a wide board, and then a narrow strip. All sealed and secured, the base is turned, dropped into position and then levelled.
Hey Mike!
Yeah.
Mike, what's going on there? What are you building?
What? On
yeah,
here?
what's this? Yeah.
What's this? Well, it's for when we have the open day. We can entertain. Don't forget your fruit gums, mum. Mountie's fruit gums last for the longest. So what do you think I'm making? All the clues are here. With the toolbox in this position, this is as far as I can go, other than position the last sleeper. The intention is to put in another gate here, giving better access, and the completion of the fence can then be actioned. The wind, together with fine rain, is very strong. I find the fisherman's smock suitable protection, which is, I suppose, why deep sea trawlermen use them out in the cold of the North Sea. Now, who said with no dig you don't get weeds? Well, I did for one. But to be fair, these weeds are due to my laziness. All these weeds are of a variety which their seeds are born with the wind. And the rule is, when the shoots appear, pick them out. And I didn't. They do come out easy, and if you look at last year's video, this area was troubled with the dreaded bindweed, which as of now is not present. One of my rhubarb plants is breaking out, and having been given a damaged prefabricated manhole by the yard foreman as a strawberry tower, thought this could make a suitable rhubarb forcer if it could be secured from blowing over. Well, here goes. I have a number of frames lying around the plot, generally getting in the way and making the place untidy. Attaching them to the rabbit fence is a good solution. Not certain if the rabbit fence is working, but if Donald Trump is watching, not a single Mexican has squatted on this allotment, so something's working. The wind seems to be their most fierce through the night. The county has suffered a lot of damage. Trees crashing into houses, tiles and shed roofs ripped off. My next door neighbour lost his shed roof overnight. Sean Cameron's uploaded the damage he's experienced on his plot. My damage, in comparison, seems to be minor, but each morning something requires attention, which is time consuming. Saturday, not only the end of the week, it is a day I can visit the local tree surgeons without the presence of heavy machinery to collect wood chip. The east-west path is going to take a lot of the stuff, so today I start to build up the stock for the near future. Not the most interesting of viewing material, you've seen it before, but it's what I've been doing. An early start, back aching, monotonous work, taking till lunchtime for a shower, and then watching the Six Nations final matches on television. And the Wales versus Ireland match was a cracking game. Didn't Wales do well? Well, that's it for this week. Hope to see you next week. But before I go, I have to show you my daffodils. They are putting on a good show. Pity about the tulips though. Rats have dug them up and eaten the tubers. I am disappointed, but sometimes you win, others you lose. But for now, bye and take care and have a good week. Bye.